This is the Creality High combo. The unboxing experience was really easy and simple. After unwrapping the base, everything almost pre-assembled, so it's like 95% there. All we need to do is unfold the screen, pull the bed forward, then add this top part on top. There is this plastic, so unwrap it and then screw it in place. There are 2 screws on each side, in addition to one in the back. After that, all we have to do is plug in these cables, and then there is a small lid that goes on top. So after you plug the cables in, tuck them inside and then put that lid on top. Now we need to add this filament spool feeder and put that in place. It clips on top of the printer, and as far as cable management, just power it on and then clip this cable here in place and then plug it into this X-axis at the top. Here is the CFS divider, which I was very shocked that this is just glues on the side with a sticker. So I think they can do better in the future, but whatever, I guess it works. For the CFS, the inside cable goes to the printer. The outside long cable goes to this CFS piece divider. And then all we need to do is put the Bowden tube. The long one is from the CFS to the divider, and the short one from the divider directly to the direct drive. This is a direct drive printer, so you will feed this filament directly in. Put that bed, the bed is magnetic, and then peel the screen. The setup is really simple. You connect it to Wi-Fi, accept the agreement, and let it do its thing. It's really quick and fast. I will spend some time with the printer, and then I will make a future video to let you know how it does. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.